In the liberal arts, it is all about the exploration. It is all about giving students a variety of different options to explore, to deepen their knowledge and understanding, and to build that sense of confidence that comes with it, so that way, when it comes time for them to define their future, they can do it with a sense of purpose and a sense of skill.
The liberal arts program opened a lot of doors for me. It gave me a lot of the knowledge that I needed going into Plymouth State University. I want to become a history teacher, preferably at the middle school level. I want to be the teacher that brings history to life in a classroom and make it something that can resonate with a student.
So a student that thrives in our program is somebody who's curious. They're curious about the world. They want to deepen their understanding of what the world is and all of the variety of complex issues. And so seeing that, helping them to grow in that particular vein is really rewarding.
The people that are here to help you. They know your potential and they want to push you to your potential.